We saw sellers and founders wasting time juggling tools, often missing follow-ups and losing deals. Skarbe fixes that. Just go to integrations and connect your Google Calendar and Gmail. If you use HubSpot or Pipedrive, you can connect those two to get even more context of your deals. Within seconds, Skarbe analyzes your conversations and suggests specific next best action. Whether it's drafting an email, setting a task, or booking a meeting, you will see them all in one list. You can always see the whole deal timeline generated automatically and updated every time with no need of manual data entry. Having a context will help Skarbe draft perfect emails for you that you can send with a single click. Now let's go to Media Library. Every meeting is automatically recorded, transcribed, and stored in Media Library. You can share, search, and review call transcripts, as well as summary and timelines. You can leave comments and you can share it with your team. Those calls are automatically attached to context from your deals, so you don't need to worry about connecting those data points. Skarbe also builds custom reports based on deals, contacts, and meetings to coach you better objections handling or knowing the reasons behind lost opportunities, even generating FAQs for your marketing team based on sales demos with a single click. With Skarbe, you can move your pipeline faster, saving at least 1 hour of admin work a day, freeing time to close 30% more deals.